Hello my loves, let's learn how to look expensive on a budget without spending a lot of money. Hi, I'm Sindhu. If you like to learn more about styling and saree draping, subscribe to my channel. There are certain things that you can do to look expensive, but nothing beats this one thing, which is wear your perfume. Wearing perfume is one of the things that is always associated with very rich, expensive, stylish people. So always wear a perfume. I know good perfumes are really expensive, but you don't need to pay so much to get a good perfume when you buy it from Dossier. Dossier is a brand that reproduces like classic high-end luxury perfumes for a fraction of price. For example, I love the Chanel's Mademoiselle perfume, but it comes for a very heavy price tag of like $100. But I can buy the same smelling perfume for about like $25 from Dossier, which is absolutely amazing. I can wear this perfume every single day to make me feel like expensive and stylish, but I don't feel like I'm wasting my money, or when you spend $100 you don't feel like spraying it every single day. But with Dossier's Oriental Oak Mask, I definitely get all the feels that I get from Coco Mademoiselle, but for the fraction of price. And also they have a good return policy. You can buy it, try it. If you don't like it, you can return it within 30 days. No questions asked. If you buy more than 3 bottles, you get 25% discount. But if you are not about to spend on a 3 bottle buy, you can buy one for 10% off with the code WithLoveSindhu10. When you want to look expensive and bougie on a budget, wear all black, because black is such an amazing color that gives a very sophisticated vibe. It makes you look sleek, edgy and cool all at the same time. Black never goes wrong when it comes to making you look expensive. And also, it's a neutral color that goes with everything. Whatever the event is or whatever it is, when you wear black, it goes with everything, and also it elevates your look and make you look really stylish and expensive. One thing that is absolutely necessary if you want to look expensive or stylish is wearing well-fitted clothes. This is very important because even if you're wearing a really expensive clothes and it's not really fitting for your body, or it's not tailor-made for you, it's going to make you look really unflattering, and it is not going to make you look expensive. But at the same time, if you're wearing a cloth that is really well fitting for your body, it is going to elevate your look. Even if the clothing that you're wearing is not that expensive, you haven't spent that money on it, it will make you look really good. So find yourself a good tailor, and whenever you buy something, make sure it fits your body. If it doesn't, always give it to alter and make sure it fits your body well. Wear eye-friendly colors. Yes, this can sound simple, but wearing eye-friendly colors can make you really look expensive. Wearing colors pink, tan, the soft red, etc. can make you look really expensive. If you look in the movies or anywhere, if you see a person who they want to show she's sophisticated, or a very comes from a very rich family or something, you can see the colors the character wears. It will always be something that is really eye friendly. Don't go for colors like neon pink or the bright yellows, the bright greens, etc. because wearing these colors will instantly bring down the sophistication. But at the same time, it's something, these colors are really fun to wear if you're going for a look that is fun and going out, that extrovert, fun looking, fun girl kind of a look. These colors are absolutely amazing. But when it comes to looking expensive and sophisticated, these colors are not going to work. Always go for those eye-friendly colors the soft pink, the soft reds and the tans, and those colors. When you're choosing your footwear, choose pointed shoes. Pointed shoes can really give you that expensive sleek look. These are a very simple step, but this can elevate your look much more than you realize. Whichever style of footwear you choose, it doesn't matter whether it can be a flat or heels or boots, anything for that matter. Go for the pointed shoe look, which will definitely elevate your look and make you look much more expensive. Coordinate your belt, bag and shoes. One of the simplest things that we tend to overlook is coordinating these three things. When you coordinate these three things, it makes the huge difference. If you see in the video, I'm showing you like outfit where it is not coordinated and when it is coordinated. You can definitely see how big of a difference it makes. Match the color of your metals in your bag, belt and shoes also. It will make a huge difference. Unless otherwise you're going for the mixed metal look, just make sure you coordinate even the metals that are like present in your bag, belt and shoes. Wear your lipsticks. Yes, I said it. If you want to look expensive, wear your lipstick. I cannot stress enough on how lipsticks can change the look in an instant. It can elevate your look and make you look really expensive when you wear a good lip. I really like to wear different lip colors depending on the mood. I wear red lips if I really want to, look and feel like elevated, and if I'm really low or if my mood is not at the right place, I would wear a red lipstick that would instantly elevate the way I feel and the way I, carry myself. When it comes to looking expensive, choose your lipstick that suits your skin tone and also your undertones. If you have a cooler undertones, go for like cool tone colors. If you have a warmer undertone, go for like warm tone colors. One of the simplest and easy way to find if you have like cool undertone or warm undertone is like look at the veins that are showing in your hands. If it's like purple, kind of looking like a purple color toned, you have cooler undertones. If you have like green looking veins, you have warm undertones. So choose your lipsticks according to your undertones. It will make a huge difference. And girl, wear your lipstick. It will make you look instantly expensive. Choose the right lipstick for your skin tone.
Also, if you're buying Dossier perfume, don't forget to use this code. I'm not affiliate or anything. I don't make any commission out of it. It's just a 10% offer for you to use when you're buying your perfume. And that's it for this video. Watch this next video on the screen and also subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, remember, you are amazing just the way you are. Bye bye. With love, Sindhu. And others.